Now, if you do need to replace a tile, you can simply peel it back and place a new piece down without putting a new piece of tape on. It will adhere right again to the backing, and it'll be nice and strong for you. And here I'm showing how to replace a tile in the second option, the 8-inch strip option. Just simply peel up and place the new down. It will still stay sticky. Here I'm going to show you real quick how to take up the carpet tiles. Say you don't want them in the area anymore. You can simply remove them. The tape will come up easily. You can use a hairdryer to get it up even easier. But what I like to do is just roll it up with your fingertips, and you can rip up the rest of the tape easily from there. And it will not leave a residue on your current floor surface. You can get the carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com. Again, this is double-sided commercial grade tape. It works on any backing type. It's extreme strength, easy to install, residue-free, moisture resistant, and that is at carpettiletape.com.